Daddy, what's he doing?
Climbing. He's climbing a mountain.
What?
He's
to make sure that they're exactly the right age when you go down, because of course we wouldn't want
Why do you need for ropes when you climb up a hill or a mountain?
to stop you falling off and hurting yourself.
where the ringers are.
What do you need for his bag? What's he need for his bag for?
I don't know.
What?
Oh look, he's got a bird in it. See?
For a bag.
Yep.
He's giving it to him. What's green in the left?
Yep.
Although some people might have some
Happened
concerns
this.
that we might drop them or that we might
What are you eating?
What?
What are you eating?
I'm eating. I'm eating some pastry from a bowl and licking it. What Mummy gave me.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. How do you do that? I'm tasting it, see if it's yummy. It's yummy. Would you like to have a little spoonful?
Yes, please.
Good. Okay. Here you are.
Mmm. That was very nice. It's very yummy. So what are you going to do now, Ambika?
My siesta.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy told me I'm going to have my siesta.
Okay. Did you have lemon with that? You should have had lemon. You can't give it just honey by itself, actually. Yes.
She just made a mistake. She forgot.
Okay.
She just made a mistake.
So shall we give you some lemon now? Okay, a little bit. Stop your Vashudi catching.
And now drum, Mama. Drum, go tap. Drum.
What's that?
Yeah, it's a game. It's a music instrument. Tap. Drum. And it's going to have big sticks in the boat.
Clive? Clive?
Seesaw. Seesaw. Marshmallow.
Hello. How are you?
Huh?
Little Ambika. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. You wave.
Hello.
Hello. What's that red dot, Dada?
Hmm?
What's that red dot?
Red dot means that it's on. Is Daddy's feet.
What?
Daddy's feet. And Ambika's feet. Feet. Hello.
Hello.
Jason.
Thanks, Maxie.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
and opening them up, having a look at them. As you can see, you know, perfect peas in that pod. You can squeeze them, you know, that'll tell you where they are, eat them. So it's just assimilating all that, and just the general look of the crop, and even just the way they rattle on your boots. It gives you an indication as to how they are in terms of readiness for harvest.
It's been shown that people that regularly include peas and beans as part of their daily diet.
Tell you what you can do. Leave that there a minute. No, get your teaspoon.
Why do you call it cheese?
No, you need to check.
Why do you call it?
No, tell Daddy what you're doing.
We're making pizza.
Pizza dough.
Yes.
Very nice.
Tell Daddy what you're doing now.
We're making the dough of pizza.
Very good.
And what do you call this thing that we're using? Do you remember?
Sieve.
She's good. Brother. Imagination and I have great friends.
Excuse me, Dad.
To let anyone in. Nandi has disobeyed me. You may be my husband, but he had no right to let you enter. Ha ha, said Shiva. Shiva was amused, but Parvati became annoyed. I must have my own Gana, who will obey me and me alone. She spoke to her friends about it. You're right, none of the Ganas can really be called your own. One of them had an idea. Why don't you create a Gana who will